Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make a track using this reference. It's called CHRYSTAL, the Days Notion remix. We need actually just Notion because it's really cool producer. He produces Speed Garage lately, and I decided to make something like that, something similar, but maybe with my own vocals, my own instruments. Let me show you what we have here, and I'll explain how I do it. By the way, I'll leave the link in the description. You can check the video. I started there and I showed how I made it from scratch. So let me check the track. Let me show you the track.
You see, I know it features me. Call it what you want, I'll call it love. Tell me what you need, I'll aim to please. Call it what you want, but I know it's love. Tell me what you see, I know it features me. Call it what you want, I'll call it love. Tell me what you need, I'll aim to please. Call it what you want, but I know it's love.
Something like that. Here we have just a copy paste of this track. As you see, we have two breakdowns and two drops. The remix by Notion seems a bit longer, but I decided to use a bit short arrangement here. So let me show what we have. We have filtered vocals.
Tell me what you see, I know it features me.
Also, we have something like a switcher for sidechain. I'll explain a bit later. So we have a rhythm section here. So it's something like typical Speed Garage or UK Garage rhythm section. We have a kick. We have these layers of top loop, and I decided to use a closed head to make this layer for rhythm section. Also, we have here something like a tambourine. I used a lot of reverb and delay, and we have the bass section. Yeah, it sounds really interesting. I used a filter here. By the way, these notes of the bass and the main harmony the same as in the Notion remix. And here we have something like that. We have sidechain switcher and filter. For this mid bass. As you see, we don't have sidechain in this section, but we have sidechain in the drop section. I decided to use two types of filters. It's a low pass and high pass filter. As you see, we have automation for this bass. You can check the Notion remix. By the way, I'll leave the link in the description. You can listen to it.
Do you think about
Sounds almost the same. And I decided to use this pad. And it sounds like a chord because we have the main keys, something like that, and we have +7 semitones here. It sounds like a pad. Here I decided to use pitch. To use pitch for this bass. also like in the Notion remix. And here we have texture. To make more atmosphere in this breakdown. Also, I decided to use these chops. Yeah, okay. It sounds really basic, but I like it. You can listen to other Notion remixes or tracks. By the way, we have tracks with Raster or a main track by Menchi. I produce Speed Garage also lately. You can check my tracks. So I'll upload this project to my Patreon and Boosty. You can easily open this project, maybe change something, maybe make your own track. Feel free to check links in the description. So that's it for today. Menchi was here. Bye bye, guys.